Welcome to CapCut Beginner Series Part 1. So this is your landing page kapag ka nag-open ka ng CapCut. Meron kang 4 na button dyan sa baba at naka-default yan sa edit. Sa taas is the create button na gagamitin natin to import your videos. So let's tap this and it will direct you to your gallery. Sa akin, gumagawa na ako ng album para mas madali nang pumili ng videos. So in this case, click mo yan and it will show all your folders. So let's select your folder. Here, you have the option to select the clip na gusto mong i-edit by tapping the small circle na yan. And you also have an option na i-tap yung clip to have an overview dyan sa specific clip na to. You also have an option to trim bago mo pa siya ma-import by clicking this cat icon na yan. And you can pull this yellow handle, i-drag mo. Ayan, kung okay ka na, then tap tick. Now we can select the rest of the clips na gusto nating import and tap add. At papasok ka na nga sa CapCut interface at mag-start ka ng mag-edit. Kaya kung gusto mong matutunan to, follow for part 2.